Hi everyone, welcome back to Speakyway, your go-to place for learning English through amazing stories. I'm so happy to have you here today. In today's story, we'll hear about a kind, honest farmer and his magical cow. It's a heartwarming tale that will not only help you practice your English, but also teach us a valuable lesson about honesty. So, let's start this wonderful story called The Honest Farmer and His Cow. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a farmer named Tom. Tom was a kind man. He had a small farm where he grew vegetables and kept animals. Tom was very honest and hardworking. Every day he woke up early to work on his farm. Tom had a cow named Daisy. Daisy was very important to Tom. She gave him milk every day. With the milk, Tom made butter and cheese to sell in the market. Tom loved Daisy and always took care of her. One day, something strange happened. Tom woke up and went to the barn to check on Daisy. When he reached the barn, he saw something unusual. There was a golden coin in the hay next to Daisy. Tom was surprised. He picked up the coin and looked at it. The coin was shining brightly, and it was made of gold. Tom had never seen a coin like this before. "What is this?" Tom asked himself. "Where did this coin come from?" Tom looked at Daisy. Daisy was chewing on some grass and did not seem to care. Tom thought for a moment. He had heard stories about magical cows, but he never thought it could happen to him. He was confused. Tom decided to keep the coin. He thought, maybe it's a gift from the heavens. I can use this coin to buy more tools for the farm or to buy food for myself and Daisy. But as he was thinking, he remembered something important. Tom was an honest man. He believed in telling the truth. He did not want to take the coin without knowing where it came from. He thought, I must be honest, even if it means giving up the coin. Tom decided to go to the village and ask the people if they had lost any money. He walked through the village and asked everyone. "Has anyone lost a golden coin?" he asked. But no one had lost a coin. Tom continued walking, feeling sad. He did not want to keep the coin if someone else had lost it. As he walked, he met his friend, Mr. Green, the village merchant. "Hello, Tom. What brings you here?" Mr. Green asked. Tom explained what had happened. "I found this golden coin next to my cow, Daisy, but I don't know where it came from. I'm trying to find the owner." Mr. Green smiled and said, "That's very kind of you, Tom. I have heard of a magical cow who can give golden coins, but I don't know if it is true. Perhaps the coin is meant for you." Tom shook his head. "No, Mr. Green. I must find out who lost it. I cannot keep something that does not belong to me." Mr. Green looked at Tom and said, "You are a good man, Tom. If you are honest, good things will come to you." Tom thanked Mr. Green and continued his search. He asked everyone in the village, but no one had lost a coin. After a long day of asking, Tom was very tired. He returned home, feeling disappointed. As he entered the barn, he looked at Daisy. Daisy was eating her dinner and did not look at him. Tom sat down next to her. "I couldn't find the owner of the coin," he said sadly. "But I know I did the right thing. I didn't keep something that wasn't mine." Just as Tom said this, something magical happened. The barn began to glow. Tom looked around in surprise. Suddenly, the air felt warmer, and Daisy's eyes began to shine. Daisy gave a little moo, and then before Tom's eyes, she began to change. Her fur turned into shining gold, and her horns sparkled like diamonds. Tom could not believe his eyes. "Daisy, you are "You are a magical cow," he exclaimed. Daisy gave another moo and nodded her head. Then she walked over to Tom and nuzzled him gently. Tom hugged Daisy tightly, feeling happy and amazed. He now understood. The golden coin had been a reward for his honesty. From that day on, Daisy gave Tom a golden coin every morning. Tom was able to use the coins to buy everything he needed for his farm. He became even more successful. He used his money to help others in the village, giving food to those in need and helping people repair their homes. Tom never forgot the lesson he learned. He realized that being honest was always the right thing to do. And because of his honesty, he received something far more valuable than gold: the love of his magical cow, Daisy, and the respect of his friends and neighbors. The villagers were amazed when they heard about Tom's magic cow. They learned an important lesson from him. They saw that kindness and honesty were worth more than money. Tom's farm flourished, and he lived a happy life, always remembering to be honest and help others. And that's the end of our story. What a beautiful reminder that honesty truly pays off, just like it did for Tom and his magical cow, Daisy. I hope you enjoyed this story and learned something important today. If you liked this story, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Speakyway for more fun and educational stories. Also, feel free to leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about the story or share your own thoughts on honesty. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing your English, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay kind, stay honest, and keep learning. Bye for now.